that there not be any room for other subjects to do such things. Apparently that may be objectionable, not really. Sita is chaste. Sita lived for 1 year, full 1 year in Ravan's house, and Ravan was a demon, and he was great power. So easily one may think that Sita has been polluted. She was under the care of a satanic person for the whole year. So easily some complaint may come against her. But few of us are satisfied that she is as pure as we can conceive. But general public may not have such understanding. So to satisfy the mob, I take their decision as punishment on me, and I accept that. Yes, I banish Sita. I am giving punishment to anyone and everyone from this throne, and when a slight voice is raised against me that I am a culprit, I must take the punishment. That was the most generous type of attitude which Ramchandra showed. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol.
Maharaj, you were speaking of the principle of harmony.
And then coming. Krishna also did so. When a bad name came to him that he has stolen that Samanta Kamani, but Krishna knew that he has not taken it. But he had to take that challenge and run after to do some justice to that bad name. And anyhow, he followed the person and the lion, and then from Jambuvan he restored that Samanta Kamani and he gave it to the owner to prove that he was not the thief. The Kalanka, the bad name, came to him, and in order to deal with that, he had to take such trouble and prove that I am not the thief. Then what do you say?
I had a question because you were speaking about the principle of harmony.
Harmony?
Yes. I was wondering if you could explain how that applies practically, what you were explaining.
What does he say?
I don't know.
He wants to understand how to practically understand this principle of harmony.
How practically to understand what is the principle of harmony?
Yes, he's asking that.
What is the meaning of harmony, you know?
Yes.
Harmony means what? In your conception, what is harmony?
Harmony, strictly speaking, is a musical term, and it refers to different musical tones which are in balance, and they sound.
So different sound is tuned to one. That is harmony. Different jantraguloke ki bole? Different sound instruments, different tone from different man. Many player is connected with one and giving some sweet, on the whole giving some sweet and soothing feeling or sentiment. That is harmony. there must be different things, different kind of sounds from different kind of instruments and different kinds of voice. Harmony. As you see, the earth, the planets, they are moving in their own way. And again they are connected with another movement, another force. The moon is moving around the earth. There are so many Upagraha planets are moving around another planet. Upagraha means ki? Just moon to the earth. So in Brihaspati, in Shani Graha, there are so many sub-planets, planets. They are moving in their own way. Again, with all those movements, earth is moving around the sun. So many others moving. In this way, in 1 year, earth is circumambulating the sun. Then there is Brihaspati under, in 2 or 4 years or 12 years, Brihaspati completes its round around the sun. Again, there is a time when everyone can complete his 1 year movement. This, you know the LCM, mathematics, LCM, BCM, do you know?
LCM.
LCM, to find a common...
Lowest common multiple.
Yes.
A common, so many figures, they meet their common, divided, some 5 times, some 10 times, some 100 times, there's a meet at one point. In this way, in variety meets in one point. He represents in one, all meet in one. That is harmony. Plurality meeting unity. In different plane, in the plane of sound, in the plane of color, in the plane of movement, it may be of different phases, but many meets one in one point. That is harmony. Just as the so many branches of the tree, they meet in the trunk. The trunk harmonizes so many branches. The twig harmonizes so many leaves. In this way, the beauty, the harmony, the unity, and many similar words that can represent